2016 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, fog lights, Sirius, satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, equalizer, overhead console, premium cloth low back bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.